Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we have the FANY Luna Smart Watch that was sent to us by FANY. So a big thanks to them for sending this out. Let's go ahead and open up the box and see what we get inside. So here's everything that comes inside of the package. You have your box, you have your charger, magnetic charger, you have your Facebook group connections guide right there, how to get into the FANY Facebook group. You also have your little instruction manual. Then you have your welcome card that comes on top of the watch when you take it out of the package, and then your watch itself. Okay, so here is the watch. Has a really nice leather band on it. It actually does say genuine leather right here. I'll put it up on a screen for you. So basically just put it just like that, and it kind of just clips into place, and it just begins charging. And it seems like to be really good quality. I mean, so far as like the box and the presentation, everything was really well done. A lot of attention to detail. So here's the watch. In order to turn it on, you have to hold this button down for 8 seconds, I believe it says. There we go. Vibrated and turned on. FANY. There's a watch face. If you hold this down right here, you can actually change your watch faces. So we can pick any one of these. You can actually go into a store on the app and there's more watch faces that you can choose. So just go ahead and click something that looks decent here. Let's see, this will look kind of cool. This button right here will bring you into a menu. You can see you have activity, workout record, heart rate, blood oxygen level, your emotions, and your woman's cycle there. Light moments, I'm not really sure what that is. Sleep, breathe, alarm, stopwatch, timer, weather, camera. Wow, find your phone, calculator, calendar, and settings. So this right here, the actual camera, if you have the camera open on your phone, you can actually use this. You can press the button and take pictures. That actually takes you back if you press this. And then you also have this button over here. If you press it, you have your workout training right here. So many different things that are in here. It's just incredible. Try our heart rate, see if we can get that. It does take a couple of moments, and the app does more, and it actually keeps track of your progress, but it does take some time to build. So my heart rate is like 75. See what else we have. Blood oxygen. Check my blood oxygen level. It was 98. It's right now 97% my blood oxygen level. All right, what else we have here? Emotion. Let's see what my emotions are like right now. Look, I'm happy. Awesome. So I'm happy. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, it just does a lot of stuff. You can track your sleeping habits. Once you're wearing it to sleep, it does actually track that. For my final thoughts on the FANY Luna smartwatch, I have to say that I really like it. Even though this watch was not intended for me, I did have lots of fun trying it out. The build quality seems really good, and the profile is definitely slimmer than other similar watches that I've checked out, making it perfect for smaller wrists. It's great for women as it helps track their cycle and has reminders to help keep you healthy, like reminding you to drink water and to relax if you're getting stressed. Two other things to point out: even though the watch is waterproof, it's not designed to be exposed to salt water or hot water, as either can damage its sensors. Also, the battery can drain rather quickly if you use it with the always on feature, and it does not seem to alert you before shutting down. Besides that, it has a lot of cool features, especially for women, since it is designed specifically for women. If you are interested in picking this up, I will have a link in the description where you'll be able to get it from. And if you would like to show your support, please be sure to use my links, since anything you purchase does generate a small revenue for the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.